क्या बात है सर. So Arjun Shraddha.
तूने बोला क्या बात है?
Ever since this meme dropped, Arjun Kapoor has been trolled incessantly, and rightfully so. But it is often that we find ourselves on the other end of the stick, being asked such a question जहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई reaction होता नहीं है, which is feasible to react to a question which is asked like that. So how can we avoid becoming a meme, and what should we do instead? Which we will explore by looking at a clip from Shah Rukh Khan, where he is asked an exact same question, but he deals with that gracefully.
तू एक बात करना, अभी ये शो के बाद ना जो तू पी के आया मुझको भी पिलाना प्लीज यार.
So here is 3 ways how you can avoid answering tricky questions in sticky situations and what you should do instead. Starting with number 1, context is king. अगर इस इंटरव्यू में हम लोग पहले देखें what makes it so jarring या stand out so much is the fact कि इसके पहले before this particular question was asked, Arjun Kapoor was talking in a very fun and light manner where he was joking, standing around, talking to people, talking to his co-actress and explaining what the movie is about in general. Now, before we come to the answer of Arjun Kapoor, which became the meme, let us take a look at the question and किस तरह से वो पूछा गया है.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मतलब इट्स स्पेशल अक्रॉस द कंट्री टू शूट.
क्या बात है सर.
Now, when the interviewer says क्या बात है, understand the context in this particular scenario. यहाँ पे अर्जुन कपूर is presenting a movie का premiere and there he is being undermined by an interviewer who speaks to him in a condescending manner. Phrases like क्या बात है या शाबाश या बहुत अच्छे are usually used in context of when you're talking to little children. Speaking to actors or adults like that is often looking down upon them और उनसे ऐसे बात करना जैसे वो बच्चे हैं. तो having someone speak to you at your own movie का premiere throws you off your track and throws you off your game. How can somebody even say that? Which is why we get to see this visceral reaction.
क्या बात है सर. So Arjun Shraddha.
तूने बोला क्या बात है?
When asked a simple question, he did not have an answer, and it's normal to behave like that. Many times, a question being extremely dumb can catch us off guard. And I think props to the guy who asked the question, जिसने काफी clearly उसको ऐसे pose किया, as if it was something which would throw him off track, and that is exactly what it did. Now, there's several ways as to how you can deal with an insult. There's about 3 things which you can majorly do. That is fight, flight, and freeze. However, freeze is often one of those as well, where instead of replying immediately, people use the power of silence to leverage the fact that they can get a hold of the person and they can understand the situation better.
Shraddha.
तूने बोला क्या बात है?
It's a good thing, na? What happened?
Stopping at a point where he shouldn't have and he should have replied instead, Arjun Kapoor decides to take a 5-second break, which doesn't take a lot, but like एक बार stop and count 5 seconds on your own and realize how long it is.
What happened? I'm scared now. अच्छा, you're visiting a Reliance store. It's all about gadgets and technology.
In fact, ये pause इतना ज़्यादा uncomfortable हो जाता है कि his co-actress Shraddha Kapoor has to fill in that with laughter, as well as the news reporter जिसने ये question पूछा होता है, उसको खुद कुछ बोलना होता है for the flow of the conversation to keep going.
मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं, तू क्यों ओवर जस्टिफाई कर रहा है?
To give me that tough look and all.
पर मैंने कुछ नहीं, मैं तो देखा तेरी तरफ.
And lastly, point number 3, which is perhaps the final nail in the coffin for this clip, that is no payoff. ये क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद इतनी देर पॉज करने के बाद यू वुड एक्सपेक्ट कि समथिंग फनी या समथिंग एंग्री या सम सॉर्ट ऑफ रिएक्शन वुड कम अप आफ्टर बीइंग साइलेंट फॉर सो लॉन्ग. However, the reaction is nothing. It is actually cricket noises that are followed by this, and nothing substantial is said.
तो visiting a Reliance.
क्या बात है? पूछिए.
क्या ना है?
क्यों डर क्यों रहा है यार?
डर लग रहा है आपसे?
चल पूछ.
So it's like Reliance store.
बहुत दिनों बाद दिखा वैसे, तू कहा था इतने दिन.
इसकी वजह से the entire context of the silence or the time it took to think is wasted because it is clearly understood that during the entire time there was nothing going on in his brain. So an underwhelming payoff to a situation जिसमें already you've taken so much time to think about seems to be very underproductive both for the reporter as well as for the interviewer. And unfortunately ये अर्जुन कपूर के stereotype of not being able to act या not showing any emotions at the right time को बस exemplify करता है. So what should you do instead? To understand this better, we have a perfect clip which is in complete juxtaposition to exactly what happens. Same situation, different actor, vastly different results. एंड देयर आर सेवरल टेकअवेज जो आप इससे ले सकते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड आंसर अ क्वेश्चन जो आपको इंसल्ट करने के लिए स्पेसिफिकली पुट फॉरवर्ड किया गया है. So the context of the clip is कि Shah Rukh Khan is giving an interview with his co-stars and the interviewer is purposely trying to put him in an uncomfortable position to get a clip out of him. Now to understand how we can avoid such a situation, we'll look at a clip which is very similar in nature. And this is not uncommon because news reporters का काम ही होता है कि वो actors या फिर performers को वैसे poke करें. And Shah Rukh Khan, being a veteran actor, understands once a question comes from a place of genuine curiosity and which one is asked only to generate clips and viral moments. You can see even before the question is asked to Shah Rukh Khan specifically, you can see him in a similar state where his eyes are wide and his lips are एकदम pursed. That is अंदर ही अंदर उसको गुस्सा आ रहा है but he's unable to show it. That, coupled with the fact that even Farah Khan, who is the one being asked this question, is very uncomfortable with the situation she is put in. And this is something Shah Rukh Khan realizes very early in this asking stage. कि the reporter है, he is not looking for an actual answer, he is looking to get rage bait answers from them.
सब लोग दुबई में,
मैं पहली बार गई हूँ दुबई यार.
पर लोग दुबई जाते क्यों हैं स्टार्स?
हाँ सॉरी, क्यों गए थे तुम लोग दुबई? कम.
बट इसमें दो चीजें क्लियरली देखने वाली हैं विच डिफरेंशिएट्स इट फ्रॉम द अर्जुन कपूर क्वेश्चन बीइंग आस्क्ड. दैट जब अर्जुन कपूर से सेम एग्जैक्ट चीज पूछी गई थी, बाय हिम बीइंग साइलेंट द एंटायर फ्लो ऑफ द कॉन्वर्सेशन वाज डिसरप्टेड. और उसकी साइलेंस वाजंट जस्ट चुप रहना, इट वाज ब्रेकिंग द एंटायर कॉन्वर्सेशन. यहाँ पे वी कैन सी फराह खान कैरी द एंटायर कॉन्वर्सेशन व्हाइल शाहरुख खान हैज टाइम टू थिंक अबाउट व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू से नेक्स्ट.
सब लोग दुबई में,
मैं पहली बार गई हूँ दुबई यार.
पर लोग दुबई जाते क्यों हैं स्टार्स?
हाँ सॉरी, क्यों गए थे तुम लोग दुबई? कम वक्त हो.
तो एक बात करना, अभी ये शो के बाद ना जो तू पी के आया मुझको भी पिलाना प्लीज यार. बहुत मजा आ रहा है मेरे को यार. हमको भी उतना ही मजा करना है जितना मजा तू कर रहा है इस वक्त.
And there you have it. That is a perfect non-reply reply जो exactly इस question के answer को warrant करता है. The main thing to understand is that the question asked कर रहा है, he wasn't really looking for an answer. And that is exactly what Shah Rukh Khan gave him. A reply without actually saying anything. Of course, being funny and charismatic goes a long way. But यहाँ पे the key takeaway is to understand that question and उसको एकदम वैसे ही आंसर किया जैसे क्वेश्चन वाले ने उसको आपसे पूछा है. And इसका पे ऑफ काफी डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम द सेम क्लिप एज अर्जुन कपूर वाला, वेर यू कैन सी द ऑडियंस genuinely get a laugh out of the entire thing. Because now if we compare both of them, we can see that Arjun Kapoor wala leaves us with a sense of wanting something more and a sense of unease at the end of it. However, Shah Rukh Khan wala thing ends at punchline. So what are the takeaways you can have personally for understanding situations like these? Number one, it is not wrong to freeze. जब आपको लगे कि आपको 2 मिनट चाहिए कुछ सोच के बोलने के लिए, मेक श्योर आप वो टाइम लें. अगर आप इंस्टेंटली रिप्लाई करते हैं तो इट माइट नॉट बी एज पावरफुल और इम्पैक्टफुल एज यू थिंक इट इज. Silence is a powerful tool, and knowing when to use it can make the difference between a good answer and a bad answer. Tip number 2, understand a question when it needs to be answered properly versus when it is a joke and it needs to be taken lightly. So differentiate between the type of question being asked and किस तरह का reply वो warrant करता है. Which brings us to point number 3, and that is perhaps the most important point. That is always have a payoff. जो भी आपकी स्टोरी है, जो भी आप इंटरव्यू में बात कर रहे हो, जो भी आप पॉइंट कन्वे कर रहे हो, मेक श्योर इट हैज अ कंक्लूजन. विदाउट अ प्रॉपर कंक्लूजन दैट स्टोरी फील्स इनकम्प्लीट एंड उसकी वजह से देयर इज नो प्रॉपर एंडिंग टू इट. एंड दैट इज परहैप्स वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट रीजन व्हाई अर्जुन कपूर got ruled for something like this, whereas Shah Rukh Khan is able to maneuver conversations like these with ease without ever falling into traps. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. एक छोटी सी बात, अगर आपको भी ऐसे और कैरेक्टर इनसाइट्स का ब्रेकडाउन देखना है तो मेक श्योर आप सब्सक्राइब बटन क्लिक करें एंड प्लीज मेक श्योर आप वीडियो लाइक करें. लास्टली I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. क्या आप इन बातों से अग्री करते हैं, डिसएग्री करते हैं, आपके बारे में इनकी क्या राय है? I'd love to hear your thoughts about this topic. तब तक के लिए this has been the Confidence Complex. विदाई लेते हुए टेक केयर, कीप वॉचिंग एंड स्टे ऑसम.